Oh, nice Tigger. Oh. Nope, nothing yet. Were you giving him hugs? Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, nice Tigger. You just love him, huh? He's like, okay, that's enough.
Wait, wait, wait. Ah, wait a second. Alright, ready? It's a silly baby. Yay! It's a yummy baby. What's Shelby doing? You just farted. She just farted.
Did she?
Yeah.
Hi.
It's a girl baby. Whoa, what
She's
are
like
you doing?
I want to go see my friend in there.
Alright, well here's your Bubba.
Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Hey, Shelby. Nice hat. Shelby. Hey, Shelby. Look. Hi, cutie. You look so cute in that hat. The little puffball bouncing around on the top. Get you. Here I come. Here I go. Here I come. What are you doing? Huh? You think you're supposed to be into that? I don't think so. What? What? Can you say, hi, Dada, I miss you. Say, I love you. Blow Daddy kisses. Go, mwah. No, not kiss that. Blow a kiss. Go, mwah. Do it with your hand. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss like this. Mwah. No, you're not supposed to touch the TV. Hey. What? Do it this way. Kayla. Kayla. Mwah. Not yourself. She can see herself in there. Hey, no touching the TV. You're doing a split. Where you going? Can you blow a kiss? There she goes. Spin around. Whee! All right. Look at the smile. Yay! Oh my gosh! I'm almost out of time. That's it. Spin. Yay! Spin around! Spin around! Woohoo! She's a little ballerina.
Too bad he couldn't follow like the Patriots schedule.
Oh, I know. You say apple.
Let's play hide and seek. Pumpkin.
Apple. Apple. Can you say apple?
Corn.
Can you say, oh, sorry, hold on. Put it against the wall so it won't roll away.
The flower spin.
What? What's up there? Huh? Boo!